Okay guys, the first ingredient to be using for this is this Henna leaf. Now we commonly call it Larry here in Nigeria. Okay, now this leaf is very beneficial on our hair, whether you're on retouch hair or you're in relaxed hair. It's have a whole lot of benefits on our hair. Number one, it contains vitamin E, which helps to soften your hair. Okay, like this leaf helps to soften your hair. It helps to treat dandruff. Like if you're this type that you're still young and you're seeing white hair, that is gray hair on your hair, this leaf also helps to fight that. Like it's very important on our hair, and it also helps in coloring. Okay, so what I did was to pluck it and then put everything in for blending, then blend everything all together. You get? So guys, after blending it, this is exactly what it looks like. It's looking small now. Okay, this is a close view of what it looks like after blending it. Okay guys, so this is the next ingredient to be using. This is zobo leaf. Okay, is a hibiscus flower leaf, abi. Yeah, we all know this leaf is very beneficial to our natural hair. Okay, I just put it inside my blender and blend it together. Okay, so this zobo leaf helps to nourish and straighten our hair. If you're suffering from dandruff too, this also helps in curing that. It helps in deep conditioning our hair. Like it have a whole lot of benefits. Okay, so I'm gonna just blend it together. Guys, after blending it, go ahead and pour it in a bowl. This is exactly how the both of them looks like. This is the Henna leaf and the zobo leaf. So I went ahead to mix the two mixtures together since they are going into the same direction. Okay, so guys, for the next ingredients we'll be using the beetroot. Now all of these ingredients you can get it to the market. This particular one you can get it from those Malan selling salad, or in the area you can get salad stuff. Okay, this beetroot is the main ingredient for this. Like as you can see, I went ahead to put on my glove because the color of this beetroot is very strong. Okay, I covered my hand by wearing a glove. So I went ahead to cut the beetroot into smaller sizes, then get it ready for blending. Beetroot also is very good on our natural hair. It helps to prevent hair loss, it helps in treatment of dandruff, it helps in promoting hair growth, and is said to aid in hair coloring. Like it's supposed to be the main ingredient for this practical. So I went ahead to get everything ready for blending, added a little bit of water, then covered, and then blend everything together. Guys, after blending, the next thing is to sieve out the water from the shaft. Okay, I use a stocking cap. You can use, don't even bother using your sieve. Stocking cap is the best thing to use, or a hanky to sieve out to get your liquid. Okay, guys, this is Henna powder. Okay, after blending the Henna leaf, I noticed it won't be enough, so I got this Henna powder. Okay, just went ahead to open it. Okay, then pour it inside this bowl. This bowl will have the zobo leaf and the Henna powder inside, so I'm just gonna mix everything together. So guys, moving over to the next ingredient is this indigo powder. Okay, what I did was to pour all the powders together. Wow, what I did was add up all the powders together, then mix them together like so, then added it into the liquid, then mix together, and that was it. Okay, okay guys, so this is the next morning. Okay, so what I did was to cover the mixture, then allow it to stay throughout the night. And guys, shocking thing in all of this is that I've already applied this on my hair. And my hair color didn't change at all. It didn't change. Yeah, I already applied it on my hair, but oh my god, this was so heartbreaking for me. After all the stress, come on, why did deception? Why did deceiving us that it worked? Like, I've seen so many videos. Okay, now it's no wonder they don't apply it on their hair. They only tell us that it works, but you will not see a video that you will see the physical change of the person's hair. They will just tell you that it works, but they will not apply. So this is the main reason why they don't apply it on their hair. It doesn't work. Beetroot doesn't dye hair. Henna doesn't dye hair. All of those mixture
doesn't change your hair color. But the very good thing about all of this is that the mixture wasn't a waste entirely, because it made my hair very soft and very moisturized. So it wasn't a waste entirely. And if you're looking at dyeing your hair or changing your hair color, either go the normal way or you leave your hair the way it is. There's nothing like dyeing your hair natural. It will not work. So guys, I've done the experiments for you guys, and this is my own view. It doesn't work. You don't change hair color. It might work if your hair is not black, but if your hair is black like my own, forget it. It won't work. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of today's video, and I hope it was a bit informative for some people. If it was, give us a thumbs up. And if these are the kind of content you love seeing, now I create content on natural hair and mix style and all of that. So guys, if these are the kind of content you love seeing, click on the subscribe bell to join the family, and also on the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. So okay guys, I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next